Hello guys and welcome to the third episode in my new scripting slash guide to Roblox studio series. And if you haven't watched the previous parts, then I highly recommend that you do. You just need to take a quick look at my channel and then you'll easily see them. By the way, I've also started using a new screen recorder, so you might see what I'm doing better now. Okay, so in the last episode, we've been talking about variables, and I just want to show you more uses of variables. Okay, so for example, a variable can be a string as well, which is basically a piece of text. Like, for example, local text equals burger, for example. And if we print out text, look, see, like, we don't need to put any quotes or anything because the game knows that text is equal to burger, and I'll show you that as well. Look, see, burger. So a variable basically it saves time as well, and also you can change it anytime you want. Like we'll even change what text means again. So like text equals 0, because you can also make numbers into variables. So print text again now. You can see this is burger and 0, because first text was the string burger, and when we printed it out at that time, it printed burger. But then we changed the value of text, and then we printed it again, so then the text was equal to 0, so it printed out 0. And it's just a bit of a random thing I'm going to teach you now. So you know how you can change the material or another property of something, then you have to write brick.material equals material.new. Wait, I mean brick.material equals, for example, wood. For like, let's just write that, and then when we click run, you can see that material is now wood. But there's also this thing called an enum. So instead of writing brick.material equals wood, you can just write equals enum dot wood, and let's just run that. Oops. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Let me just take a look. Oh yeah, I meant enum dot material dot wood. Yeah. I'm a bit stupid. Sorry. And now, it'll equal wood now, the material. And I'm not sure why you'd normally use enum, because like both are basically interchangeable and you can use both either way. Also, oh yeah. Now I've remembered. Okay, so I'll also teach you how to make a falling a falling a falling sphere with a funny image on it. So just insert a sphere into the workspace. You can scale it, and then you should move it up into the air. You can change the material to whatever you want. I'll just do it to smooth plastic, and then I'll change the color to really red, because red is my favorite color. So let's just go with that. And then I want you to open the toolbox and then go into images, and let's search for something funny. This looks no. This looks funny, I guess. So it might not be funny to you, but so then you want to insert that into the workspace, and then you want to drag it into the. Hold on, I'll rename this to funny sphere. Then you want to drag the funny image into the sphere, so then it's the funny image is a child of the sphere, and then you can just rotate it so then it faces where you want to face it. And then we want to insert a script into the funny sphere. And we want it to drop onto the base plate after a few seconds. So you can write workspace and then write funny sphere, whatever it's called, your thing. But you don't, if the script is a child of the object, then you can just write script.parent, because this is the script and this is the parent of the script, and it's the same either. Like, you can reference it through the workspace, or you can just write script.parent, and script.parent dot anchored equals true. And then wait, so basically wait, it basically pauses the script for a few seconds. So like, if you put nothing inside, then the default waiting time is like 0.333 or something like that. But if we want to make it wait for 2 seconds, then and then we can just write script.parent.anchored equals false, and then we can run that. You see, after 2 seconds, a funny little sphere, it beautifully plops onto the workspace. Look, see, get to the chopper. But you're probably asking, well, that's a bit boring, so let's spice this script a bit up then. So script.parent.anchor. So like, let's make it so that after 2 seconds it'll also change the color of it as well. So at first I want the the brick color to stay really red. So script dot parent dot brick color equals wait enum dot brick. Wait, I was just testing if like enums would like work with the brick color, because I've heard that it can, but I apologize because I forgot a little basic, so I was just testing. So just do it the normal way I've always told you to do. So equals brick color dot new really red, and we want, so after the 2 seconds it basically changes the brick color to, so then we want to change the brick color again. So script.parent.brick color, we're basically changing the brick color, then afterwards equals brick color dot new. Let's change it to buttermilk. I think that's a type of yellow, if I'm correct. So let's run the script now. Look, see, and then after 2 seconds, the color changes to like, this milky color. Get to the chopper. And that's it for today's episode. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what I could improve on. Bye.